How are we doing, everybody? It's Robert from Euronics. I'm here today in our brand new studio, and I have Razul from Samsung, who's kindly going to bring us through these fantastic new ovens. These are your latest.
Yeah, they're our very latest models we've introduced.
So tell us what we have here.
Yep.
Because this is quite unique. So
yeah, it's fantastic. Basically, it's the new Series 5 ovens we brought in, as you said, just recently as well. Fantastic options. We've two here. We've got compact microwave oven.
Yep.
Nice big 50-litre model there.
Brilliant.
And then underneath here we have the dual cook flex oven as well.
So it's kind of cool. So I'm going to open it.
Yep.
And what's cool about it is you have a separation in your cavity.
So basically, in a nutshell, what you can do is cook two things at once.
Okay.
So at home, for example, my missus is a vegetarian, which is quite annoying for me, but I love my meat, so I can cook something at the top, and then she'll have her vegetarian food at the bottom. So there's no mixture of odours or smells or anything like that.
So it's completely really separate.
Completely separate compartments with this dual cook flex.
Dual cook. And I see you've a probe in it.
Yeah, you have a meat probe there. So if you want more...
You're sorted.
Exactly, I'm sorted. More precise cooking using a meat probe as well. So it's a really good idea as well. And what you've probably noticed with this model is the dual cook flex. So what you can do, uninterrupted cooking as well. So obviously if you're cooking Yorkshires or something at the bottom or bacon, what you could do is just open the flex door itself.
Okay.
And then you're uninterrupted.
So it looks like an old style double oven.
Exactly, it's a double oven.
But it's still a single oven.
It's still a single oven. And what you can do with a massive 76-litre capacity as well, if you want to have a conventional oven, you just literally take the dual cook flex out drawer, and you have a full oven there as well.
Excellent. And I'm just noticing on it, you've telescopic rails below.
We do, telescopic rail there.
And this. So explain this, because this is a very topical thing at the moment.
So this is the newest bit of technology we've introduced in all of our Series 5 ovens, and this is your air fryer.
Okay.
So the craze now, as you see all over social media,
everybody wants
it's
an air
all
fryer,
about an air fryer, and it can be quite big and quite clunky and quite expensive as well.
Yeah.
But it's a craze everybody is, but now what we've built in all of our Series 5, same as a compact oven, you get a built-in air fryer as well, so you can actually air fry in the oven.
And it'll cook exactly the same as my conventional tabletop air fryer.
Exactly, and you could cook two things at once as well, so you could even have the grill on the top, and you could be cooking something underneath as well.
That's excellent.
So two completely separate compartments.
So obviously Samsung being Samsung, technology is foremost of everything. Smart things, what smart things?
So basically what you can do is control the oven from wherever you are. So what you can do, as an example, we have the ovens here connected. So if I click onto the dual cook flex oven here.
Yep.
So if you're, as an example, you're in work, you're on your way home, your food is in the oven, you want to turn it on, you can control it from wherever you are. So here you can see your oven, your top cavity and your bottom cavity.
Yep.
I turn on the top cavity. Let's do a large grill.
Okay.
Apply, you can change the temperature, you can change the amount of time you want to cook it for. If you just press start, it will send straight to the oven. And likewise, you can do that with the bottom oven. So let's go down to, let's keep it as the convection. Do apply. Again, you can change the temperature settings to completely different. So let's go down to 160. Press start. And there you can see two ovens on. Things. And you can control and monitor it as well. So you can see preheating is done, gives you time left. But if you want to cancel it, you just literally press cancel. And again, likewise, the top oven, you can cancel that as well. So you do have that option. And what you can also do with this oven here, is if you go back into the main settings, underneath here, you've an auto cook recipe. So you have up to 50 automatic settings, which you can actually program yourself.
Okay.
So if you want lasagna or pizza cooked a specific way, you can literally have that on the oven and send that straight to the oven as well. And then we also have your home care. So it actually tells you how much your item's actually going to cost you.
That's fantastic.
In regards to energy and money.
All controlled through SmartThings, so it's an easy download.
Definitely, yeah.
And it's iOS and Android, it's everything.
It works for the two.
That's fantastic, fair play. So is it easy to use the dual cook flex, or is it because that's what everybody's going to look at? You have two ovens, is it awkward? How easy is it?
Yeah, so it's very, very simple. So what I'll show you as an example here is the convection option to cook the oven. So if you want to use the top element, just make sure that's turned on here, like so. Click into it, set the temperature. Let's just do 170 as an example. Start cooking, simple as, so that's good to go. And then if you want the second oven at the bottom here, literally just press this button here. Again, we'll just use convention as an example and set the temperature, completely different temperature. Let's do 195. And if you want to set the time there, you can do that. But if you just wanted to start cooking, it starts cooking. So you can see there are two completely different temperatures.
That's brilliant.
And also two completely separate times. And if you want to just stop it or pause it, you can just Stop
simple
it
as
by doing
that.
it. As simple as that.
So it's like having 2 independent ovens.
Exactly that.
Very easy.
Very simple.
I think that's fantastic. So obviously, I'm just noticing on the oven, obviously it's a Series 5 oven from yourself, so
exactly.
it's a premium oven.
Exactly.
You've Pyroclean, so it's a full self-clean oven.
Exactly, Pyrocleaning, and I have 3 different options to actually clean, so it goes between 20 minutes and 3 hours, so depending how dirty the oven is.
So if it's just lightly...
Just lightly, quick 20 minutes, because it's pyrocleaning as well. And what it is as well, we have the sonaric enamel in all of our ovens as well. So
you can see it, it's really good.
So the bits of white you see here,
Yep.
it's actually bits of silver, so it's antibacterial. So
Okay.
it's a lot more hygienic to clean and maintain.
Never knew
as well.
that.
Yep, really, really hygienic. And again, you won't get any scratches or anything like that. So if you're moving the shelves in and out, no scratches, and it's just easy to clean and easy to maintain.
So you said to me earlier on, we were going through the shelves,
Yep.
you can actually steam cook in this as well?
You do indeed. So with this particular option, what you have here is this little tray here. So this is your steam tray.
Okay.
So fill this up, cold water, put that in there, and you also have a function to steam cook. So if you want something nice, crispy, and the juice is maintained, you can steam cook in this oven.
So this does pretty much everything.
It
You
does
your
pretty
air
much
fryer, your
everything,
steam cooker,
absolutely everything
single
for you.
oven. It's the perfect
Exactly.
oven
Meat
for a
probe
busy
for
family.
more precise cooking as well. Everything does it for you.
And then in cleaning the doors, you also tell me you can get all this apart to
Yeah,
clean
so
it?
literally the hatches at the bottom here and
Yep.
here just come apart. You can remove the whole door as well, so you can clean even inside as well. Easy to clean, easy to maintain, and also there's a soft closing door. So again, it closes itself like so.
Very nice.
Very, very slick.
I want one. So tell me about the top one, the
So,
compact.
Everybody wants a compact oven with an oven.
Yeah, they're
normally
really
as well.
popular at the
They're
moment,
really,
yeah.
really popular as well. So they sit very well together as well. We've also got the warmer drawers as
Yeah,
well.
yeah.
So you've probably seen in some of your
I have,
stores,
yeah.
the warmer drawers to match the same color and same imagery as well. But with the compact oven, you've got the microwave oven. Again, what you have here is your steam cooking oven. Again, it's a microwave oven, so
Yeah.
you can use it as a microwave as well. And you also have an air fryer built in as well. So you have that.
All in a,
all
that's a
in this
45.
Yeah, it's 50 litres capacity altogether
Yeah.
inside there internally as well.
So compact oven, microwave, do everything for you.
Everything for you.
So what a lot of people I've noticed, they're going away from double ovens and they're buying a single oven and mixing with a compact oven, or like as you said, with a warming drawer. So
Obviously, big families and things like that.
people are going to these pods in kitchens, kind of like
Exactly.
that.
But here, if you did have the compact oven, you could cook 3 different meals. So
And these are fully connected with smart things, both
they
of
are
them.
all the new appliances out at the moment, or all capability with smart things. Yeah, so
Okay.
you can control them from wherever you are as well. And there's a lot of features you can do with them.
Okay. So these are the latest and greatest technology from Samsung at the moment.
They are
obviously.
indeed.
So, so that's it. If you want one of these, call into your local
There
Euronics
you
store.
go. Exactly. Yeah.
So that's it. Okay, everybody, that's it. Thanks, Razul. Appreciate that. If you want to find out more about these Samsung ovens and compact ovens, you can call into your local Euronics store, or you can visit us online at euronics.ie. Razul, as always, thanks very much.
Cheers, Robert.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.